Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing a get it all done video. Yesterday I went grocery shopping for the week, and these are the items that I picked up. Now the toilet tissue and the soap are gonna last for the month. The oil is probably gonna last for about 2 weeks, so those are things that I will not have to purchase during the month. Now before I get to this started, I'm just doing some hygiene care. Just gonna be washing my face and brushing my teeth, just getting myself ready for the day. I'm now going to do the laundry so I can get things done while the clothes are being washed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get them started. This stove has to rise, it has to cook for about an hour, so I like to get it started early so that we can have lunch by 12 o'clock. For lunch today I'm making baked and fried chicken. I don't have a recipe. As you guys see, I'm just using my head as to how much I think of each ingredient need to be put in it, and each time it turns out different because I'm not using a set recipe. I did the yeast mixture about 5 minutes before, getting all the dry ingredients together, so I'm just going to add it to the bowl and mix it all together. It's been an hour since the dough has been rising, so I'm just gonna punch it and start making out the bakes. This is how they look once I'm done. I am going to let them poof some more while I begin working on cleaning and seasoning the chicken. The chicken has been washed and cleaned, so now I'm going to season them up, and you can just put oil to help the seasoning to stick to the chicken a lot better. Just something that I'm trying out, and just whatever seasoning that I have, I'm just gonna toss that in there as well and let that marinate for a while I get the bakes going. So I'm adding the oil to the pan now. I'm gonna be frying the bakes and then the chicken after. One thing that you don't want to do is to place things in a frying pan or anything that has oil. When it's not hot, it's just gonna have very oily food, so you need to make sure it's hot. So now that I tested it with a toothpick, or you can test it with any kind of wood you have, I'm testing it now to make sure it's hot and it's bubbling. I'm now going to start putting in the bakes inside of the pan to fry up and to become really nice and golden and cooked on the inside. This is how they're looking when they're done. I made some sweet chili sauce to go with it, and also some fruit juice. And before I eat, I really like to make sure that my kitchen is clean, so when I'm done, if I really want to relax, I don't have to have that in my mind to do. So I'm just tidying up everything that I've used, just to that when I finish eating, I only have what I use to eat in to wash. So now I'm going to eat. Yeah, actually this is my first meal of the day. I hate skipping on breakfast, but sometimes when I have a lot of things to get done, I really would sacrifice a meal over getting stuff done. So these are the clothes I took to wash in the machine this morning, and they are dried. I did hang them on the wire. We do not have a dryer, So I'm just gonna fold them up just to get them out of the way, and that's basically going to end what I do in the day when I get done. It was a somewhat productive day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next time. Leave some suggestions as to what videos you would like to see from me next. Until then, bye.